Hi, I'm Daniel from Shona Capital. We are investing in small and growing SMEs in Uganda. Uh, Predominantly, we are currently working with Imuka on the accounting and finance management system to support SMEs to have access to financing. We look forward to a meaningful conversation and engagement to support SMEs to have access to financing in Uganda. We invest in businesses that are looking at working capital loan and also for light asset financing. These are businesses that typically don't have access to financing because either they don't have collateral or the financing options that are available to them are actually very small. So right now we are giving between 15 million shillings to 200 million shillings in loans. These are loans we give at 15% annual interest rate and for a maximum period of 24 months. Now, these are businesses that are in either healthcare, in agriculture, in manufacturing, and financial services. So we are actually promoting financial inclusion for small-scale micro businesses that would need very small ticket loans, and then they go to financial institutions that we actually invest in them. We are happy to be part of this program with the Imuka Access, and we look forward to a meaningful collaboration. Thank you.